Hi guys, welcome to CP Talks on Literature. Today our topic is about phobia. Phobia is an irrational fear of something that's unlikely to cause harm. The word itself comes from the Greek word phobos, which means a fear or horror. We usually fear of such things, no? That usually ends with the word phobia. That's what we are going to see now. Here I am posted A to Z phobias. Let me see one by one. Achylophobia, fear of darkness. Aerophobia, fear of flying. Agoraphobia, fear of speaking in public places. Anthrophobia, fear of people and society. Astrophobia, fear of thunder and lightning. Autophobia, fear of being alone. Bibliophobia, fear of books. Bilinophobia, fear of pins and needles. Cacophobia, fear of ugliness. Claustrophobia, fear of confined places. Cynophobia, fear of dogs. Yes, I am a cynophobic person. I had a huge fear on dogs. And next one is domatophobia, fear of houses. Dystachyphobia, fear of accidents. Entomophobia, fear of insects. Echinophobia, fear of horses. Glossophobia, fear of speaking in public places. Gynophobia, fear of women. Heliophobia, fear of sun. Lactophobia, fear of doctors. Leukophobia, fear of white color. Melanophobia, fear of black color. Necrophobia, fear of death. Noctiphobia, fear of night. Ambrophobia, fear of rain. Ophidiophobia, fear of snakes. This usually will have a fear on snakes. And pedophobia, fear of children. Pognophobia, fear of beards. Porphyrophobia, fear of purple. Pyrophobia, fear of fire. Somnophobia, fear of sleep. Trypanophobia, fear of needles or injections. Venestrophobia, fear of beautiful women. Wiccaphobia, fear of witches. And xenophobia, fear of strangers or foreigners. Zoophobia, we all know that fear of animals. This is what I have covered A to Z phobias here. And I already said I am a cynophobic person, that I fear of dogs. Likewise, in which you have a fear, please comment me over. Let me see what phobic person you are. And see you on next video. Until then, it's bye from CP.